have question number given in the book. Find the estimated quant for each of the following. Question given in the book: digit 87 divided by 28. Solution: 87 is estimated to the nearest 10 is equal to 90 will be 28 is estimated to the nearest 10 is equal to 30 will be, therefore 90 divided by 30 is equal to 3 will be answer. Exercise 1G, Roman numerals. One of the early systems of writing numerals is system of Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols to write any numeral. Look here, Roman numeral 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, thousands. Hindu Arabic numeral 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, thousands in figure. If bar is placed over a numeral, it is multiplied by thousands. Thus, it is 5,000, it is 10,000. Write it as rule. Repetition of a symbol in a Roman numeral means addition. First, only 1, 10, 500, thousands can be repeated. Second, 5, 50 and 500 never repeated. Third, no symbol in a Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Rule: a smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from larger number. First, 5, 50 and 500 are never subtracted. 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. 10 can be subtracted 50 and 100 only. 100 can be subtracted from 500 and 1000 only. Exercise 1G, first question given in the book. Express each of the following as a Roman numeral. It is given in figure. Then we write in Roman numeral 2. It is Roman number. Here is 36 in Roman, 10, 20, 30, 6. 36, 81, 50, 10, 60, 10, 70, 10, 80, 1, 81, 100, 14. It is given in figure, then we write in Roman. Look here, 100, 10, 4, 100, 14. Five is never subtracted. 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. 5, 1, D, yani 500 are never repeated. 9 cannot occur to the left of 10. HW, write all students in diary. HW, do in fair copy exercise 1 to G and H.